Add the coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut milk. Add the 1 cup of coconut milk and the gingers, 2 ounces of ginger, and the gingers, 2 ounces of gingers, and put this to blend for about a minute. Then strain it. Then strain this. That's good. This is 8-inch baking pan, grease paper. Just cut out some grease paper. Use a pencil, because now you're going to use the pen and cut within the ink. Cut within the ink. You want to make sure it's greased right around evenly, and at the bottom evenly, and the corners, make sure the corners is where it tend to stick. Let's put this in. Put it aside until you're ready to put your dough in. Add the molasses. Add the molasses to the coconut milk. And kind of mix it in, dilute it. Dilute it. Be sure it's diluted, totally diluted, completely diluted. All of this is gone. Make sure it's diluted. Make sure it's fully diluted. See? Diluted. Add the sugar. Add the butter. Just cube it up like this. Just cut them in little slices. It's cubes. just work it in. Work it in. So once you cream the butter and the sugar, make sure it has a nice texture like that. Add the egg. Then add the coconut milk with the ginger and the molasses. Now would be a good time to preheat your oven at 300 degrees. Now to the flour, add the cinnamon, nutmeg, a pinch of salt, the baking powder and the baking soda to the flour and the sieve it. Alright, just work it. Preheat your oven at 300 degrees. So that's it, you want to get your dough as smooth as this. Shoot. So this is ginger cake. You just drop it like this to release the bubbles. put your oven and preheat your oven for 300 degrees. Put it on the middle rack, preheat your oven. Let that stay. Put your oven on 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna check this. Just do like this. It's clean. It's kind of wet to cook, so we're gonna let it stay for a little while. Clean still. It's really what I want to try. So it's been 45 minutes to be exact. I'm gonna turn it off. Once it starts to separate itself from the can, once it starts to separate, the cake starts to separate from the can, the tin, then it's ready. Then it's ready. Because you don't want the cake to be dry. So that's Miguel's Jamaican ginger cake. This is an original recipe because we use coconut milk. Ginger cake. Miguel's ginger cake. Look how the cake separate from the can. That's a sign to let you know that it's ready. See? Right around. So now, to take the cake apart, just score around it. Score. And just flip it. Good video. Yeah. Just remove this. Just put your cake up on a plate like that. So now see? So this is Miguel's Jamaican ginger cake. See? So this is Miguel's Jamaican ginger cake. Jamaican ginger cake. Jamaican ginger cake.